Good afternoon, students. In today's video, we are going to discuss about types of soil erosion and soil conservation from the chapter Soil. Now, we will start with types of soil. Soil can be classified into two major types, sandy soil and clay soil. First, we will discuss about sandy soil. Sandy soil has lot of sand in it. It has large particles with lots of space between them. It has air but cannot hold much water. Since plants need both air and water for their survival, so very few plants can grow in this soil. Plants like cactus grow in this soil. Now we will discuss about clay soil. In clay soil, soil particles do not have large space between them. It holds lots of water and is very sticky. There is not much air in this soil, and very few plants can grow in this soil because there is water but not much air in this soil. Plants like rice grow well in this soil. Next, we are going to discuss about loamy soil. Loamy soil is the mixture of the two major types of soil, that is sand and clay. It can hold both water and air easily. It also has humus. Therefore, this soil is considered as the best soil for growing of plants. Now, we are going to discuss about soil erosion. It is the removal of topsoil by wind and water. It is a naturally occurring process. That means it is the carrying away of topsoil by the wind and water. Now, what are the factors that cause the erosion of soil? The first one is floods and heavy rain. So, due to flood and heavy rain, it loosens the soil and cause the soil erosion. Next is drought, means dry due to no rain or absence of water. So, drought results in less vegetation and soil gets eroded easily by rain and wind. Next is deforestation. It is the cutting down of trees. That means there are no roots to hold the soil. So, the soil is easily eroded by rain and water. Next is rain and wind. So, next is overgrazing of animals, means eating of grasses by the animals like cow, goat, buffaloes. So, it also leads to erosion of soil. So, there are other factors like housing, construction of roads and forest fire. So, they also lead to erosion of soil. Next, we are going to discuss about soil conservation. So, soil conservation means protection of soil against erosion. So, what are the ways that protect the conservation of soil? First is afforestation. Afforestation means planting of trees. That means the roots slows down the erosion of soil. Next is terrace farming. It is done by building steps or flat rows on hillsides to prevent the soil from being washed away by rain. Next is preventing overgrazing. So, preventing overgrazing can also help in conservation of soil. Next is building dams. So, building of dams controls the floods and helps in conserving soil. The last one is crop rotation and adding manure. So, rotation of crops and adding of manure like cow dung also helps in conservation of soil. So, that's all for today, and with this the chapter is complete. Thank you.